Hi, my name is Dr. Diallo. I am a testing expert with Study.com and an academic coach at a local elementary school where I have over 25 years of teaching and testing experience. I am here to help you prepare for the FTCE Earth and Space Science 6 through 12 with testing code 008 assessment. This problem set covers the subtopic of the knowledge of space exploration. Let's take a look at problem number 1. What is the major limitation of the parallax method for measuring astronomical distances? A. It requires a telescope with extremely high resolution. B. It doesn't work for stars that are directly overhead. C. It is not accurate for galaxies. D. It only works for nearby stars. Let's take note of the important words within the question. We are looking for the major limitation of the parallax method for measuring astronomical distances. Well, the parallax method for measuring astronomical distances is limited because it only works for very nearby stars. Due to the vastness of space, the parallax angle becomes too small to measure accurately beyond a certain distance. Therefore, D, it only works for nearby stars, is the correct answer. Who used detailed observations of the planets to develop 3 laws of planetary motion? A. Laplace, B. Hale, C. Kepler, or D. Hertzsprung? Well, Kepler is the correct answer. He developed 3 laws of planetary motion that describe the orbits of planets around the sun. These laws were based on his own detailed observation, as well as those of his mentor, Tycho Brahe. So therefore, Kepler C is the answer choice that's correct. Although all of the scientists mentioned above were important to the field of astronomy, Kepler is the person that's responsible for the 3 laws of planetary motion. How has the space program affected the local communities surrounding the launch sites in Florida? A. It has led to a decrease in population around launch sites. B. It has led to a decrease in property values. C. It has caused a significant increase in noise pollution. Or D. It has spurred economic development and job creation. Keywords within this question are space program, local communities, and the launch sites. We want to know, how has the space program affected these areas? Well, D is the correct answer. Well, the space program has spurred economic development and job creation in the local communities surrounding the launch sites. The influx of workers and their families has increased demand for housing, goods, and services, supporting local businesses. While there may be some noise during launches, this is not a constant issue and is definitely outweighed by the economic benefits. Therefore, D is the correct answer. What does a red shift in the spectrum of a distant galaxy indicate? A. The galaxy is moving towards us. B. The galaxy is stationary. C. The galaxy is moving away from us. Or D. The galaxy is rotating. Well, the keywords within this question are definitely red shift, spectrum, and the distant galaxy. And what does that redshift indicate? Well, the answer is C. The galaxy is moving away from us. The red shift in the spectrum of a distant galaxy indicates that the galaxy is moving away from us. This is due to the Doppler effect, which causes the wavelength of light to stretch and appear redder as an object moves away from the observer. So C is definitely the correct answer. The galaxy moving towards us, being stationary and rotating, does not create a red shift in the spectrum. Therefore, C is the best answer choice. For more practice problems, check out our FTCE Earth and Space Science 6 through 12 008 playlist. And for even more detailed practice strategies and customizable study materials, head on over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Earth and Space Science 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who study with Study.com boast a 92% passing rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice problems, and short targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With all of these resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all of the latest FTCE testing updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.